Good morning, everybody. Today is June 16th, 2023. Happy Friday, and also happy birthday to me. So the stock market is celebrating along with me. So we are actually hitting $150 up on Dow Jones, 50 points on S&P 500, and 20 points on NASDAQ. Well, NASDAQ was up for a long time, so this is just natural that it's not going as much up as other indexes. So what are the best stocks to buy right now? Well, my number one recommendation right now is Humana. This is the health insurance company. Right now that's suffering from it's down 3.4%, or 1591 down. Okay, trading at $447.90. The thing about Humana is that, just like all health insurance companies, it's suffering from the fact that a lot of people who were postponing their elective surgeries, something they needed but they could wait. Well, during the COVID time, the hospitals were canceling lots of those elective surgeries because they were infected with COVID, and people just didn't want to go to hospitals and get additional complications, additional infection with COVID, compared to what the underlying condition they were going for the surgery. But now everybody is brave. COVID is pretty much was beaten down, maybe isolated cases, but a lot of us people are going back to the hospitals, and insurance companies are on the hook on these very expensive surgeries. So I guess investors are dumping the shares, and right now Humana, you could buy it at a 6-month low. This is a $57 billion company, so I'm sure they will turn around. But considering to your portfolio, why it's extremely cheap. It again, $447.50, stock symbol HUM. Considering your portfolio. Next one is Rivian. Well, this thing is down today 2.3%, or 36 cents, trading at $14.88. I think the company hit the rock bottom on April 28th when it was trading at $12. Since then, it went from $12 to $14.87, so gaining around 10%. But the upside potential for Rivian, which makes electric cars, is to go all the way to $22. In comparison, Rivian market cap is only $14 billion. Tesla's market cap is $700 billion. Do you see the difference? 14 and 700. That means that Rivian has quite a room to grow, and the potential for the company, in my opinion, are pretty huge, because they got the vehicle on the road, they're selling it. Yeah, they might have some technical problems, but who doesn't when they're in the beginning of their journey, right? So, but I would urge you to consider adding to your portfolio, because this thing is reversing and it will go back up to pretty nice levels. So consider adding to your portfolio. Stock symbol RIVN, Rivian Automotive. Next one that we need to talk about is Target. Okay, this sucker is down today 2.2%, or $3, trading at $134.80. Well, Target has been suffering from I would say the marketing decisions when they decided to kind of like appeal to LGBTQ, or basically to gay and transsexual people, whatever. They started to fill their stores with advertising targeting this type of consumers. But even though it was applauded by the kind of society saying, oh yeah, Target is not homophobic, they're like open, they're glad to any kind of customers, doesn't matter what their sexual orientation is, but they didn't think about their current clients. And apparently in America, there's a lot of homophobic people that, you know, feel like, you know, they don't want to be where gay people are. So they stopped going there. There was a lot of protests, and obviously it suffered, Target suffered on sales levels, so, and profits as well. But, you know, I believe it's a $63 billion company, and I have a feeling that it will reverse itself and will go back to its previous levels of $180 a share. So consider adding to your portfolio at $134.80, stock symbol TGT, Target Corporation. Next one is, Truist Financial Corporation. This company, it's like a asset manager, stock symbol TFC. It's down 2% or 70 cents, trading at $31.52. The company kind of suffered from the Silicon Valley Bank collapse. So just like a lot of financial companies, it went down. So it went down all the way to $25, and I was telling everybody to buy it, but it's back at 31 level. It's trading at 31.50. So it's still a pretty good price, considering that it was just trading, you know, $50 a share or in January on February 1st. So I would add it to my portfolio, especially because the market cap for this company is $42 billion. So this size of companies usually find resources and, you know, energy and the will to turn themselves around. So consider adding to your portfolio. Stock symbol TFC, Truist Financial Corporation, 31.53. Next one to buy is, Moderna. Well, that's a risky play. This one is down 2% or $2.70, trading at $127.30. Well, guess what? Just 6 months ago, this thing was trading at $200 a share, and it went down almost like 40%. So if you believe that we will have another, you know, a medical disaster like Corona, when we will urgently need to develop some new crazy vaccines, or, you know, maybe a super vaccine for something, you know, for some cold or flu or whatever, right? Then Moderna might rebound. But right now it's trading at a 6-month low, and even some little good news will bump it back up just a little bit for some time, and you could probably cash out at that point. But right now, at $127.40, Moderna looks very cheap. The market cap is still $49 billion. And as I said, companies with this type of, you know, capitalization usually turn themselves around. So next one is, if I have any time, well, yeah, this company is called Sea Limited, stock symbol SE. It's a Singapore company. It's basically kind of like Amazon for Asian Pacific market. So it's trading at $61.60. It's down 1.8% or $1.15. Right now, if you buy it around $60, you're getting one of the best prices for the last 6 months. The best price was $50, but still, this is a very good discount. And your upside potential is $90 a share, which means that if you jump from 60 to 90, you're going to make 50% on the stock. Market cap for Sea Limited is $36 billion. So again, big company, probably will turn around itself. So all the stocks that I'm talking about, they're listed inside of my app called Stock Rank. You could see the stocks, you could see the charts, you know, kind of like, you know, the best way to, the easiest way to find this app is if you go to the website called forestx.com, and it has links to the Stock Rank app in Apple App Store, in Google Play Android Store, and also in Amazon App Store, because the app runs on Amazon Fire tablets. The app covers 7,000 stocks and several hundred ETFs, sends daily update with the latest recommendations, so you will know at any time what are the best stocks to buy, what are the best industry to invest, and so on and so forth. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.